Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Night Owl DVR in 2025. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or just want to start fresh, a factory reset can help you get your system back to its original settings quickly and safely. First, locate the reset button on your Night Owl DVR. Usually, it's a small pinhole on the back or the bottom of the device. You will need a paper clip or something thin to press it. With your DVR powered on, press and hold the reset button for about 10 up to 15 seconds. You should see the system reboot or the indicator lights flash, signaling the reset is in the progress. If your model doesn't have a physical reset button, you can also reset through the DVR menu. Use your remote or mouse to navigate to settings, then system, and find option for factory reset or restore default settings. Confirm your choice and let the DVR reboot. Keep in mind, a factory reset will erase all your custom settings, recording, and network configurations. And make sure to back up any important footage or settings beforehand if possible. Once the reset completes, your Night Owl DVR will be restored to its default state. You will need to set it up again from scratch, like adding cameras, configuring passwords, and connecting to your network. And that's it. A factory resetting your Night Owl DVR is simple, whether via the reset button or menu options. This should help fix many common issues or prepare your device for a new setup. And thanks for watching. If this helps you out, hit the like button, drop any questions below, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. See you in the next video.